I've been using the Ally Bank mobile app for a while now, and this is my honest and unbiased review. So let's dive in and see if it's the right fit for you. One of the main reasons I chose Ally Bank was its comprehensive mobile banking features. Its mobile app allows you to check account balances, view transaction histories, and transfer funds between Ally accounts or accounts at other institutions. Additionally, I can also deposit checks remotely, eliminating the need to visit a branch or ATM. On top of that, the app offers bill payment services, enabling you to manage all my payments in one place. However, there are some cons to consider. For instance, Ally Bank is an online-only bank, which means it doesn't accept cash deposits. While this suits my digital lifestyle, those who prefer in-person banking might find this limiting. Another aspect worth mentioning is the app's user experience. The Ally Bank mobile app is available for both Android and iOS devices, and many users have praised its ease of use and intuitive interface. However, some users have reported occasional glitches, such as issues with the app misidentifying devices as modified, preventing access to certain features. Overall, my experience with the Ally Bank mobile app has been positive, especially considering its comprehensive features and user-friendly design. As always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.